The first thing you're going to be asked to do on the quiz is interpret a point from the graph. So this is a graph showing Nathan reading a textbook, and we've pulled from it the point 520. What does that point mean? Well, we've gone over 5 and up 20 to 20 minutes, so the point 520 means that he read 5 pages in 20 minutes. If I take this story and put it into a chart, then my x is 5 and my y is 20. So my constant of proportionality, my k, is 4, because 20 divided by 5 is 4. That means that my equation would be y equals 4x. If we flip-flop the numbers, it changes the story. So it's going to change our equation, and it's going to change our constant of proportionality. In this graph, he reads 20 pages in 5 minutes. Since this is my x-axis on my graph, and this is my y-axis, it changes the order that things appear in the table. First comes the 20 for x, and now 5 is my y for the minutes. So if I'm trying to find the constant of proportionality, y divided by x, then it's actually 5 divided by 20, which simplifies to 1/4 as my constant of proportionality. What am I multiplying x by to give me y? I multiply this number by 1/4 to give me this number. That means that my equation would be y equals 1/4 of x. And finally, you needed to determine if a graph or a chart or a sentence is proportional or not. So this sentence says, I make $25 an hour as a nanny. Is it proportional or is it not proportional? I can graph it to check. After 1 hour, I've made $25. After 2 hours, I've made $50. After 3 hours, I've made $75. And if I work 0 hours, I make no money. Since my graph is a straight line and it starts at the origin, then it is a proportional statement. My constant of proportionality would be 25, because I multiply 1 by 25 to get my y value. So this is x, this is y. And that means that my equation would be y equals 25